And welcome back to Big Gamma for our 2-minute take on LYFT, LYFT, where some big time call buying sets up a big time trade with some big time vol capture edge. So let's jump in and take a look. Here's the trade driver: over 12,000 of these October 41 calls traded versus about 3,000 open interest. You can see the implied volatility at 46. At that time, the prior day on Monday, we saw the implied volatility under 41. The puts concomitantly right around 41. So we saw that implied volatility spike about 5 vol points on LYFT. So we jumped in, took a neutral trade here, selling 7 of the OCT 41 straddles. These expire this Friday as well, so you want to manage that gamma, put it into our risk profile as we always do. We can see using a 3 standard deviation weekly stress, and these ones expire Friday, so certainly weekly applies here, but we're well within our 2% context for our $250,000 model account. We're looking at max loss somewhere around 3,500 if LYFT heads towards 48 come Friday, so it would have to rally about 7 points or about 18% in that time frame. You can see we are absolutely about as delta neutral as you can be on LYFT, ending up being 5 deltas net long. Earnings not coming out till October 30th, so this not an earnings play at all. So we jumped in, looked to capture that implied volatility. Interesting enough, if we can see by the close here, implied volatility already reverted back basically to our target level, 42 on the implied volatility. We sold it somewhere around that 46 and change range. It had been right around that 41 the day before, so we got our implied volatility reversion. Certainly, as you can see, you'd be able to buy back the calls at 78. The puts at 70 probably certainly do better than that given the width of the market. So capturing at least a dime on this trade. We sold it at 158, probably can get it back at 145 or so. So a quick 13-cent capture with the stock really not moving anywhere at all. As you can see, it was at 41.02 when we looked at the trade, 41.08 at the close. So hopefully provide some insight how we go about identifying trade opportunities, how we look to structure the trades, always using our risk levels to position size vastly underrated, and then look to trade off with implied vol revert. So until next time, as always, here's a good trading. Take care.